Sellercloud makes it easier than ever to transfer physical inventory between two products or SKUs. Here's what you need to do. Go to Inventory and click on Manage SKU to SKU Transfers under the Tools menu. From there you can click the green plus button on the right side and create a new SKU transfer. Choose the warehouse you want to transfer the SKU to. Enter both the SKU you want to transfer from and the SKU you want to transfer to. Decide on the quantity you want and add a transfer reason to keep track of everything. If you want to transfer SKUs in bulk, you just need to click on Download Template, fill in the required data, and upload the file to the system. You can find a recording of all SKU to SKU transfers in the warehouse inventory movement section of each product.